I have portobello mushrooms. As you know, I'm over 50. Very, very particular about oil. I prefer the, extra virgin olive oil. Okay, so for my additionals, you'll have to subscribe to the Cat Club and learn Mommy's little secrets. However, I add a... So, I'm going to try it. Oh, epic. I mean, I can taste every single fruit in there individually, and then they work so beautifully together. And it's nice, it gives me a jolt. It's like a cup of coffee without the jitters. Okay, now back to my rice. Okay, so the flame's a little high. We're gonna put it on low. And now I'm going to reveal what I'm making. And what I'm making is homemade sushi. What? So, there are your greens and your golden.